What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. How often should you be sparring in the boxing gym? Great question. I've been getting quite a bit lately. So first of all, I'm going to tell you, every coach runs their program differently. Some coaches want you sparring / fighting 5 days a week, fighting for your life. Other coaches are afraid of CTE and won't let you go full speed, full power. Personally, I feel you got to find a happy median, because you don't want to be looking like you got into a car accident at the end of the week, going into fights with injuries because you're going too hard too often. But you also can't go into a fight not knowing what it's like to get hit full speed, full power, and the tempo and the violence of action in a real amateur or professional fight is going to be too overwhelming for you, and you're just going to get blown out. It's going to be a bad experience. So again, we want a nice happy median. Not going into the fight with injuries, but not knowing what it's like to really fight. And body hardening, conditioning, that also comes from sparring. Just getting inoculated, getting hit is a process within itself. When you're not fighting or you're new, I say, we do conditional sparring, which is where we identify and eliminate mistakes. We kind of slow it down here and there, take time to show you what you're doing wrong. But once you get past that, we do what's called gut check sparring, and it's full speed, full power. And, when you got a fight coming up, the 3 weeks leading up to the fight, we're going to spar the most the second and third week. 5 days a week is pretty much typical. Maybe we'll do like one conditional sparring session or two, and the rest is going to be full speed, full power. If somebody gets hurt, of course, we'll stop it because we don't want to go into a fight with an injury. But you also got to have your timing, your reflexes, all that's got to get dialed in. And then we take off the week before the fight, stay loose, do light mitt work, just stay, active, but nothing that's going to cause an injury. So again, when you're new, a couple conditional sparring sessions a week mixed in with your floor work and your basic boxing routines, that should be good to kind of start getting you acclimated, developing the reflexes defensively, offensively, start working on strategy and tactics. But again, you should not be looking like, you just went 12 rounds with Mike Tyson after all your sparring sessions. You will reach a point where you're fighting in the ring, but that's going to be something that's specifically reserved for a time and a place, and that's going to be with the purpose of preparing you for a fight. So anyway, I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. For you new guys, the online course is amazing. Link is in the description. Tell me what you think in the comment sections. How do you guys like to train? Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.